Good day, everyone. Welcome again to my channel. It's me, Evelia Sadullo. Today ay gagawa tayo ng logo using your desktop or laptop. And one of the requirements that you should follow or you should have is you must have an internet connection. Either mapa-low pa siya or mapa-strong or strong. Strong ba? Okay. So, let us start by opening our Google Chrome. Then, yung gagamitin natin is the logo maker. So, just type logo maker. Then, okay, this one. Logo maker, make a free logo. Click. So, once you click, this will be the screen. I-off natin muna to. There are so many ads here. Okay, so you click make a logo or you can have start your logo. So let's click make a logo. Okay, then to start our logo, we will be asked to logo text, choose design, color, and fonts, and then save. So I have here already the industry. So I selected food, beverage, and restaurant, and then I named the company Ev's Bakery. Then if you have some tagline, you can add some tagline or you can also add logo type. Then click make a logo. And then after that, it says choose up to 3 logo styles. We can either have which one? Let's say this one, or this one. Then click next. Then choose up to 3 logo fonts. And then so this will be my font style. Then next, choose up to 3 logo layouts. So I will be this 3 like that one. Okay, then next, and then you have to select a logo design. So you can see here different logo design. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So this is only the first page. So marami tayong mga pages. Once hindi mo pa makita in this page, you can proceed to page number 2. Okay, so these are our first page, and then let's say second page. Okay, so this is our second page. And third page, I think I like the one which has the cake kanina. So I think we'll go back there. Okay, so it's in page 2. And I will choose this one. Save or edit logo. Let's see first. Let's edit. Okay, loading na siya. We need to edit our logo if you want to add something or if you want to change the font style, you can. Now, in making a logo, it's better if walang background because once you add that one, let us see, ilalagay mo siya sa video, parang lumulutang lang yung dating. Or if you want to put that in a letter, so it's also much better to look at. So we are now in editing our logo, so you can either increase the size of this, so you can just click like that. And then this one, you can change the font style, so you can choose here. See this one. Hmm, I like yung like that. Is that good already? Let's preview. Like that. So let's continue editing. You can either move this one like that, or you can move this one here. Kung ayaw mo yung kanina, just like that. Let's just turn the original. Okay, you can also increase this one here. Okay. Size increases. You can still add text. And let's see some more. Okay, I think we can change the color of this. Let's see what color. For example, red. That is red. Let's see if there are some options. Some options. Wala yatang walang shadow. There are some logo makers that has the shadow. I like that one. I think wala dito. Okay. Let's see if it's blue. Which one? Red na lang because it will just match with that one. Okay, so if you are already certain of that, you can already save the logo. So, yun lang kadali guys. Madali lang yung paggawa ng logo. So, walang problema. Nandyan lang pala sa internet yung lahat-lahat. So, next time naman, I will teach you how to make logo using your Android phone. I hope you like this video guys. Please do not hesitate to subscribe my channel and click the notification button for more of my videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye.